Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at a Toyota Solara. We've got a customer who is trying to sell this car. A few things that are stopping this car from being sold. There's more than one way to look at it. On one hand, it's not a bad car for the money. But someone still has to get the emotion that they would like to own it and they would like to drive it, or it just will sit there. So let's go take a look. We'll point out some things that will cause you to have some trouble selling a car, and I'll show you what I do to help this thing look a lot better and be a lot more acceptable to a customer. Well,
those are not nice looking headlights. Looking pretty bad. I don't want to re-spray these, so I'm just going to try to polish them for them.
and a pinstripe. So there's a few reasons you're having trouble selling it. It's got dents in the hood. Oh.
That's not good. We got somebody spray painted the door and got overspray on here and got the wrong color. It smells like a dog. It's got some burns. It smells like a dog. And last but not least, we got ourselves a headliner issue. So I gotta try to fix that.
So there you go. You're trying to sell yourself an 05 Toyota Solara. There's a few things you're going to want to look out for. That's going to turn people off to not want to buy it. Alright, let's see what we get when I'm done. Okay, I deodorized this thing. I fixed this. And I fixed that. I'm gonna leave the burns because this is a $5,000 car. It's literally on the lot for $4,999. So I'm gonna polish those real quick and park it because I'm already doing too much for free on this. I went ahead and put a new piece of plastic in there because it just makes it look more fresh. And that's it. Deodorized it. So it smells better. The door looks better. This isn't broken. Headliner's working. I'm gonna hit them lights. Alright, I went ahead and did a quick burn repair on it. I felt bad. I want to see this car leave for these guys. You know, every time I do this and if somebody comes in and buys it right away, it just solidifies their confidence in why they pay me to be here. This is quick. I just polished these real quick. I've made a video on it. It's kind of boring and it's not everybody's favorite, but the results are, you know, proofs in the pudding. Here's a 05 Toyota Solara, quick turnaround. I think it's gonna be leaving soon. I mean, now it's a car that has just one or two dings, nice paint, nice interior for the most part. $5 grand. Toyota, it's ready to go another 200,000 miles. All right, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for coming to my channel.